Did you know the most powerful man in the world once chose growing cabbages over ruling an empire? Diocletian controlled the mighty Roman Empire for 20 years with absolute power. He commanded millions of people across 3 continents. His word was law from Britain to Egypt. But in 305, he did something no Roman emperor had ever done before. He quit, voluntarily, while still healthy and in control. The ancient world was stunned. Emperors died in battle, got assassinated, or were overthrown. They never just walked away. But Diocletian retired to his palace in modern-day Croatia to tend gardens and grow vegetables. Years later, when civil war tore the empire apart, his former colleagues begged him to return. His response became legendary. "If you could see the cabbages I grow with my own hands, you would not ask me to trade the happiness of this peaceful place for the endless storms of ruling." He spent his final years gardening until his natural death, the ultimate proof that even absolute power can be willingly surrendered.